All right, first step on this worksheet, I need y'all to pause the video if you need to. I need y'all to copy all these perfect squares on a sheet of paper. You're going to need them to be able to do these other problems. All right. So when you see problems like number 1, these are all difference of squares. These are perfect squares. Now, when it says difference of squares, difference means minus. It means subtract. You got to have a minus in the middle. So all you do is take your perfect square. A squared, you got to split it up into A and A. Perfect square for 121 is 11, plus 11 minus 11. All right, that's number 1. Let's go to number 2. W squared plus 121. This one's prime. You can't do it. All right? If it doesn't have a minus in the middle, you can't do it. If it's got a plus in the middle, write prime. It means the same as no solution. Number 3, we got 225 minus 64x squared. All right here, I got a minus in the middle. Both of these are perfect squares. I should be able to do it. 225. Perfect square is 15. 64, perfect square is 8. Now, if it's got an x squared with it, you're going to have to write 8x and 8x. One's a plus, one's a minus. It doesn't matter which one gets the plus and which one gets the minus. Now, if you FOIL method that back out, you're going to get what you started with. So really, we're just doing like backwards FOIL method. All right. Look at number 4. 4y squared minus 529. All right, I don't have 529 listed on the board as a perfect square. I didn't go up that high. You're going to have to use your calculator on that one. Each calculator's got a square root button, so it's 23. So perfect square for 4y is 2y, and then plus 23 minus 23. All right, look at number 5. All right, a lot of kids miss this when they think it's prime because it's got a plus in the middle. This one's got a minus in front of the problem. And if you can switch everything around, put 16w squared in the front minus 81, all right, now we can work it out. Because I've got a minus in the middle, and my numbers are perfect squares. So 16, the perfect square to be 4w. 81, the perfect square is 9, plus 9 and minus 9. All right, this one, 169, perfect square is 13. You just got to break the exponent up. Put half of it over here and half of it over here. It's a9 on each side, and then the square root of 16 is 4. I got a plus 4 and a minus 4. All right, 7 you'll need to flip around. Let's go to 8. 8 starts something new. 5x squared minus 45. Okay, we got a new situation on number 8. Neither one of these numbers are perfect squares, but if you can divide something out of them, for example, you can divide both those by 5. Divide them by 5, 45 divided by 5 is 9. Then you got to check it. Is this a perfect square? Yep. Do I have a minus in the middle? Yep, then I can do it again. X plus 3, x minus 3. All right, go to number 9. 3r squared minus 5. Neither one of these numbers are perfect squares, and you can't divide anything into both of those. So this one is prime. All right. I'll do one more with you. Do number 10, 7y squared minus 35. All right, divide it by 7 because neither one's a perfect square. So divide it by 7, I get y squared minus 5. Now, can I do it again? Let's check it. 5 is not a perfect square. So this time, you cannot do the second step. you can only factor out a 7. Now, it's not prime. It's only prime when you can't do anything. I could at least divide it by 7, so this one's not prime. All right, so that's a good little short video on 1 through 12. I'll show you the other ones in the morning.